What's going on, guys? I don't have anything to say other than, what a horrible day, right? Especially for a lot of you guys. I know a lot of you guys are not traders. A lot of you people that watch this channel, you guys are either maybe swing traders, or maybe you guys have been holding some stocks for some time. Realistically, majority of people out there aren't really scalpers. They're not really day traders, right? I'm only speaking to like a select few when I do make these videos and I kind of talk about day trading and scalping. To be quite honest, it's very, very tough, and especially in a market environment like that we've been in this year. What I do want to say is if you've managed to survive, make a little bit of profits, just kind of be grateful for those profits. Right now is not a time to be trying to hit home runs or try to become a millionaire. It's all about the slow grind. Even though we come into this market, and myself included, as a day trader, we're not looking to take one trade and make $1 million. We're also playing the long game with you guys who do have long-term portfolios. Just a little bit different set of rules. Obviously, if you do hold stocks long, your whole thing is kind of dollar cost average in. Continue to accumulate shares for when we do go into those raging bull markets. You kind of profit, and then for a day trader example, we're just kind of looking on a day-to-day basis, where's the areas of opportunities where we could just make a little bit of money each and every single day. With that being said, we're going to take a look at NVDA here. Absolute destruction today, down almost 8%. We did close at $156.47. I made a video quite some time ago, I believe it was like a few weeks ago, and I was kind of marking out some levels, and those levels that I was marking out were based off of the weekly time frame. It was right when we were in this area here, still in the 180s. One thing that I did mention in that video is that if we lost the 100 simple moving average, next stop was going to be 145. Someone kind of came on and made a comment. I believe it was on Twitter or something, and said, NVIDIA is not going to see 145 mark, it's going to bounce. And it's like, now we're sitting here on the 13th of June at a stock price stuck in the middle of a range, trading at around $156. So realistically, NVIDIA would need to get back over 186 with room to run to 200. Okay, but again, that's neither here nor there. This is a long ways away. We're a lot closer to coming down here and tagging this demand zone, which is going to be the 200 EMA as well as the 150-day simple moving average. That price is sitting at around $142, $143. Now, I'm just going to be quite honest. I do think on this leg down here, regardless if we do bounce and kind of fill this gap, get rejected around 172, I think that we do at least test 142, and I think we have a very, very good shot at least testing 120. I may be far off the mark with that. Maybe some of you guys might not agree with that, but I just want you guys to kind of keep that in mind. If we do start to go back here on the weekly time frame, we had this consolidation back here on 523, 516, as well as 59, where multiple times we kind of touched the 155 area. And here we are yet again. So any sort of bounce, fill this gap, or any sort of flush through the 155 is going to have room to 144. Okay, this is not just me having some crazy idea here. I'm just basically following technical analysis. Technical analysis is our friend. You can see here, once we lost the 50-day moving average on the weekly time frame, that price was 231. The last time that we lost and closed below the 50-day moving average was all the way back here on 4/4, and that price was around $232, and currently we are trading at 155. So that's about a 70-point move in just about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, in about 2 months' time. So if you were following technical analysis and you are a swing trader, again, I'm not a swing trader, I'm a day trader. I'm looking to take a small piece of the pie each and every single day. It's what's comfortable to me. Some people are a lot more comfortable swing trading. If you are a comfortable swing trader, then when we lost a 50-day moving average, you should still be sitting short in NVIDIA, kind of taking profits along the way down. If we believe in technical analysis, we believe that stocks are going to lose demand and go to the next level of demand, or reclaim supply and make that push towards the next level of supply, then technical analysis is telling us that NVIDIA is going to at least test 143, regardless if we bounce. The 143 play is still in play until NVIDIA gets over 187. Okay, I'm just going to call an ace, a spade a spade. Now, will there be an opportunity to scalp long here? Potentially, if you're experienced and if you kind of know what you're doing. You need to have a strategy, you need to work with a group, you need to have a mentor, you need to have something. Right now, a lot of you guys who are sitting here watching this video, have not traded through these market environments. You guys have not traded through this. I will be very open and upfront. Yes, I did trade through the very brief bear market that we had in March of 2020. And that was very short-lived. It was, it lasted about 3 to 4 weeks, and we quickly V-shaped recovery. I did not trade the '08 crash. I did not trade the dot-com bubble. I have traded my fair share of pullbacks, but nothing to this extreme. Okay, so anyone who's going to sit here and tell you that they've been in the market for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years and has seen this before and they know what's going to happen, they're full of shit. Okay, I'm just going to be completely honest with you. Don't let those people tell you that the bottom's in, this is where we should be buying, because as of right now we're continuing to make new lows across the board on the indexes as a whole. So with that being said, until we kind of start to establish a bottom and base out and build a floor and then start to build on top of that, we can't really start calling for dollar cost average in here, because you're going to make a lot of money. As of right now, the way things are going, it looks like there's lower prices to come. If you guys like this kind of content, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also, all of my contact info and everything that I'm about is in the description box. You guys can definitely get all my information there. I will see you guys all in the next one.